Well, it's currently in the 70s outside, and the house got pretty warm because I had a fan pulling air through the house in one of the windows. That's what it got up to in here. So I just turned on a few of them. This is the Emerson Quiet Cool running. Here's what the temperature in this room is, and the humidity. This thing has been working great. It's on medium right now. I also turned on the Hampton Bay 5100 BTU. This is the one with the Samsung compressor, and this is in the room with the thermostat that I showed where it's 76 degrees. I also just turned on the 8500 BTU Sharp from 1995. It's just running on low right now. Got my Kenmore 8000 BTU right there with the Tecumseh reciprocating compressor and my Hotpoint, which is a rebranded GE Quiet Air 8400 BTU. And since I don't think I mentioned it, this Emerson Quiet Cool is a 6300, which I'm sure you know if you've been watching my videos for a while. Currently in the downstairs bedroom I have the 6050 BTU GE air conditioner from 2014. I decided to put that one in there because I just wanted to try it out, and that one's a little quieter than the 6000 BTU Whirlpool that I had in there. I did have that 5500 BTU Sharp in there, but that's not in there anymore. Still works fine, I just wanted to switch it out again. This air conditioner really cools the kitchen down fast. It's very well matched for this room. That last unit I just showed where I turned it on in that dark room, that is the GE 6050 BTU that I was mentioning. And up here, of course, I got the GE 8100 BTU and the Climatrol Fetters 8000 BTU. So, right there I have the 7000 BTU Whirlpool Coolerator air conditioner. That I was using that up here a while ago. Did a very good job. That thing really can cool a room down fast. I'll start both these up just for the heck of it. I won't be taking air conditioners out probably till mid to late October, just because I have a feeling we're still going to get plenty of warm weather, and I really don't want to be caught without air conditioning, because I do not like sleeping in warm weather, and I have a dog who has very thick fur and she doesn't like being hot. So I guess we'll turn on this GE real quick. There's a bug in there. Get out of here. Well, it's still in there, but this one gets cold pretty quickly. And I like the way it sounds. The fan in this one is louder than the 6050 BTU, but it's not annoying or anything. Yeah, we'll start up the Climatrol with the Rotorex compressor and the Samsung fan motor. That's low. And high. Right there I have the 8,000, one of the 8,000 BTU LG air conditioners. I had that one running, or I had it installed earlier in the year downstairs in the living room at this house. But I wanted to try out some other ones, so I took this out. Originally I had this, or not originally, but previously before I installed this Climatrol, I had that one in this window next to the GE. This one gets nice and cold too. I just plugged the coolerator in so we can run it real quick. A common complaint with these is the fan is pretty loud. It's just the way the blades are designed on these. This one performs really well though. It's on low right now, medium, high. Here's the 1994 White Westinghouse 5200 BTU. This one hasn't been used all that much this summer. I just run it sometimes when I'm up here. This room doesn't really get used much. We'll start it up. It is super quiet, and that's on high speed. And there's low. These are great units. Here's the Kenmore 5450 BTU. Another very quiet unit. Let's start this one up just for fun. Sounds real nice. And we'll do the hot point next. Alright, start it up. This is another one that gets cold really quickly.